Hey party people, this is like and subscribe with an unboxing video for the Bang & Olufsen Beosound A1 Bluetooth speaker. Let's get to it. The second generation AI is dust and waterproof, has integrated voice assistant and speakerphone. Comes in several color choices. I got black anthracite. The retail price right now is $299. It has up to 18 hours of playtime, 3 microphones for speakerphone performance, uses Alexa voice assistant for processing voice requests like music, scheduling, and weather. Uses Bluetooth 5.1, Microsoft Swift Pair, and Google Fast Pair. You can even get 2 and pair them for stereo sound. Out of the box you get the Beosound A1, the quick start guide, and a charging cable. For music playback, it sounds good, has good bass, and the speakerphone works very well. It looks good sitting on a desk. The strap makes it more portable than some. You could hang it on a wall, wear it around your neck like Flava Flav, or justify it as a work expense. All of these things add up to make it a solid choice. Setup was straightforward. There is a B&O app for fast connecting. Just make sure you have Alexa set up on your device. Do you have a Bluetooth speaker? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.